G'day everybody, it's Craig Cobb here for Trade with Precision on the 13th of August for another free weekly newsletter. And this week I'm going to challenge you guys, give you a little activity to try and help you engage yourself with how we trade ourselves, and then give you an option to pick up some more information. So first of all, there is a number of different foreign exchange pairs that I'm looking at. Now, first of all, it's Sterling Oz. So I'm going to show you the monthly. Here it is, the monthly. Here is the weekly, and here is the daily. Now, obviously, you're pretty much all going to know by this stage, unless you're completely new to Trade with Precision, how we talk about this buy zone and sell zone in between the two moving averages of 10 and the 20. Now, we've got this candle in there right now, green candle breaking high. So we've got Sterling Oz. We have got Euro Oz. Also, I'll show you actually, we should probably just focus on the weekly and daily. There's the weekly. There is the daily. Okay, so weekly and daily both there. So keep that in mind. Euro Oz as well. The next one is Aussie CAD. So the weekly on Aussie CAD looks like this, and the daily on Aussie CAD looks like this. Oh, hint. I'll get rid of that. Looks like this. And then the last one I want to look at is Aussie Swiss, because what I want you guys to work out and stop and pause on this video in just a moment is to work out what trade or trades you would take and how you'd take it. Here is Aussie Swiss on the weekly, and here is Aussie Swiss on the daily. Now from this point right now, please press pause on this video, and I want you to go to your charts, and I want you to combine some reasons, have a look and pick out what you would do. There's 4 options. What trades would you take and why? And then press play again. So 3, 2, 1, pause, and now you're back in the room. Because what I want to show you is this. There are 4 trades sitting up there, and I want to show you what I've done. Now for those members that are already platinum members on our platinum package, you will already know, because I've put out the live trade calls this morning before the trade actually triggered. The trades I took were Aussie Swiss back into the sell zone, small bearish candle in a fantastic downtrend on the daily and the weekly. Draw in the fib right here, and what have you got? You've got it smack bang in the middle, the 50% and 61.8% in there. Beautiful downtrend, beautiful bearish candle, and beautiful reward to risk down towards these old lows, which I believe we'll probably see breaking it. I'm looking for a 1-to-1 first target, and then looking for a bigger run as I'm away on holiday next week, and I'm looking for this as a holiday trade. The other trade I took was, Euro Oz, not Euro CAD. And Euro Oz, the reason I took this trade is because of the following. You can see here on the weekly, lovely move, good uptrend, not overextended. There's still plenty of space to move, still plenty of run up to 1.5 really, back up around those old highs. On the daily, you can see here, now you can see it's just in this buy zone, just a little bit pulled back a little bit further, but let's add some ingredients to this. Old level of resistance becoming new level of support in a beautiful uptrend. Now let's combine that with the Fibonacci points that we're going to draw in. Draw in the fibs and have a look at this. 61.8 lining up with that just very, very, very nicely. So I'm not going to tell you all the reasons, of course, because the video would take too long for me to go through everything. We teach all this in our programs. But out of the 4 trades you just saw, I took Aussie Swiss short and I took Euro Oz long. Now I've been filled a little while ago. My fill was, not too long ago, but I am in the trade, and I wouldn't be racing out there if I were you and taking these trades. That's not what I'm saying for you to do. I'm trying to get you guys to engage yourself and to work out what trades you would have taken and why. Now you might be thinking Euro Oz and Aussie Swiss, taking both of those trades, essentially you're shorting Australian dollars. So therefore, you've got twice as much risk. But what else I also do is I split the trade in 2. I've got 0.5% risk on one trade and 0.5% risk on the other. Now trading's not difficult. Okay, it's also not easy. Okay, it's a combination of both, and having a really good strategy and a really good understanding for what you're doing is absolutely crucial to anyone's success as a trader. The reason I've done this activity for you guys is to get you thinking, to get you working out how good is your technical nous, how good are you at picking trades, and you know what, it might not have anything to do with how good you are, but how good are you finding out what we're doing. We are proven, we're professional traders, we prove that daily. We've got plenty of corporate clients that back us up on that theory. So not on that theory, on what we do. Now just to bring this in and make it relevant for you guys, I'm doing a webinar this evening, okay, and it's on combining the ingredients. So it's on exactly the same thing what I've just shown you. It's bringing different elements together and showing you how we combine them together to find our opportunities for our high probability trading strategies. Now that's going to be at 5 a.m. New York, 10 a.m. London, 7 p.m. Sydney and 9 p.m. Auckland. So I hope to see a number of you on there just to help to sharpen up some of those things for you. There's going to be another one the following day, which is also based around the strategy that I just showed you that I've been trading, which is what we call the PLT, or it pulls back into the buy zone. It's high performance trading for a busy lifestyle. It's 12 noon Los Angeles, 3 p.m. New York, 8 p.m. London, 5 a.m. Sydney the next day, and 7 a.m. Auckland the next day. So all you need to do is register for each of those by going to here and jumping on board of that. Now guys, again, I will recap once more what I said last week. This month we have a special offer on our Platinum package. As of September 1st, prices will be increasing. If you have any interest in this Platinum package or wish to take advantage of the current prices, but also you get to take advantage of what the new offer is going to be. If you buy in August, you get the Platinum package prices as they stand right now without the increased price, which we will see in September. You'll get 3 one-to-one mentoring sessions, 3 30-minute one-to-one mentoring sessions with one of our trading team, and we are increasing the frequency of our mentoring. These things are being implemented for one simple reason. We've asked for feedback, we've got it, we've got a team now where we can improve our strategies and improve the way that we teach and the way we mentor you. That's happening on September 1st. So if you're interested in the Platinum package, there's no better month to buy than in August, and there's no better time to get in contact with us now. There are 20 places only remaining. Actually, there was 20 places last week, so there's even less now. So time is of the essence, guys. Either email back to this and let us know that you'd like to have a conversation, or register for these webinars this week, and I'll speak to you very soon. Have a great trading week, guys. Bye for now.